How to install Dorman Products spare tire hoists. Begin the installation by using a lug wrench to turn the bolt counterclockwise, lowering the spare tire from its original position. Locate the bolts that anchor the hoist to the chassis underneath the vehicle. Unbolt and remove the hoist from the chassis. If hoist is stuck to chassis, check and make sure all bolts have been removed before carefully using force to pry original hoist from the vehicle. Once original hoist has been removed, install the new hoist in the same position. Use steps in reverse order to complete the installation.